guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Tiffany, and for those of you who are wondering, yes, I'm wearing clothes. I'm wearing a tube top, but I wanted to have all of my decolletage out for you guys today because I'm going to be showing you how you can get the Fenty Beauty Body Lava look without paying $60 for it. I wanted the body lava, you know, I wanted the glitter bomb. I actually went to Sephora to get it and I tested it out and it was beautiful, don't get me wrong. One issue that I had though was the brown sugar, the darkest color, was not in Sephora. You can only find it online for some strange reason. So I could only test out the Who Needs Clothes bottle and it was gorgeous, it was pretty, and they were sold out of it, of course. So then I went to the glitter bomb and I was like, yes, the glitter bomb, and I tried it on my chest. It was so beautiful. But my husband was like, babe, are you really gonna pay $42 for a puff of glitter? And you know, I got to thinking, I said, he's right, it's not worth $42. Yes, I love Rihanna, I love Fenty Beauty, I love the Pro Filter foundation, I love the gloss bomb, I love the kilowatt highlighters. There are some beautiful products in the Fenty Beauty collection, but I just couldn't justify paying $60 for the body lava or $42 for the glitter bomb. So I said, you know what, there's other girls out there like me who love the look but don't want to pay the price, so I'm gonna create a video for you guys. And here we are. So today I'm gonna show you exactly how you can get that look with products that you probably already have at home. First, I'm gonna start with the skin. I'm going to beat my face into submission. I'm going to do a really glowy look for the face application today. So I'm gonna start out with an illuminating moisturizer. This one is by Glam Glow. It's the Glow Starter Mega Illuminating Moisturizer in the color Nude Glow. Now, I didn't purchase this. It was given to me by Sephora for my birthday gift. I've tried it. I like it. I believe the full bottle is about $42. Do I think it's worth that? No. You can find illuminating moisturizers in the drugstore. I'm gonna start by putting that on the high points of my face and rub it in. It does smell really good. It smells like creamsicles. All right, look at me, I'm glowing already, guys. Because I wanna be really dewy, I'm gonna skip out on my mattifying primer today and go straight in with my foundation. I'm gonna be using the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter foundation in the color 370. Before I apply my foundation, I'm gonna do a couple spritz of Fix Plus. That's gonna really help me glow as well. I'm gonna go in with my damp beauty blender to blend it all out. We've gotten our foundation on and I think I'm still looking pretty, you know, pretty glowy, pretty dewy. So I'm gonna do my brows off camera and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm looking a little crazy because we only have brows on, but I'm gonna move into concealer. I'm gonna be using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in the color Sucre de Orge. I'm gonna kind of speed past the face application because you guys have seen me do this a number of times and I know why you came. You came here for the glow, right? Now I'm gonna set my highlighted areas very lightly with the Sephora Mattifying Powder Foundation. Since I'm going for the ultimate glow today, I'm gonna skip out on my second setting powder. Yes, I know I've used my Cover FX setting powder in every single tutorial, but this one we're gonna skip out and I'm going to set my face next. I'm gonna set my entire face with the Sephora Micro Smooth Powder in the color Hazelnut. I'm gonna go straight into bronzing with my Bobbie Brown bronzing powder in the color Deep 4. I'm gonna skip out on contour today and be very generous with the bronzer. Okay, y'all, we're nice and bronzed and we're almost done with the face. I'm going to go ahead and do a little something on the eyes. So today I want to go for some glossy eyelids. So what I'm going to do is put a little bit of clear gloss on the back of my hand. Then I'm going to take my MAC Pigment in English Gilt and mix it in the gloss. I'm going to take the back of a brush and just swirl it all in there together. I'm going to take that same brush and pick up the pigment and apply it to my lids. Doing the exact same thing on this lid, kind of blending it upward with my finger. I applied lashes off camera. Before we put the finishing touches on the face, let's move on to the decolletage. The first thing you want to do to get that Fenty Beauty Body Lava Glow is to start with an oil. You can use any body oil that you have, preferably a spray oil so you don't get your hands all greasy, but I couldn't find mine. So I'm going to go in with the Tarte Maracuja oil. Just going to take the little dropper and apply the oil all over my chest, like so. And rub it in. All right, you see already we've got a nice shine to us. I'm gonna go in with the next step. This is whipped Glow-tion. It's body butter from Bath & Body Works. It's in the scent Champagne Toast. It has little flecks of gold glitter all over it. So I'm just going to apply that all over my chest. This last step is really what's going to amplify the look and step it up and make you look like you're wearing body lava when you're really not. So I'm gonna take my Bobbie Brown Moon Glow highlighter and this big fluffy brush. Just going to dip it in there and tap all over my chest. I'm gonna switch to a smaller brush to get like my collarbone here. You can add as many different highlighters as you want. Next, I'm gonna go in with my Master Chrome by Maybelline in the color Molten Gold. And just for the heck of it, I'm gonna go in with the Rose Gold Master Chrome highlighter as well. I'm over here like body lava who? Gonna spray my face with a little more Fix Plus as well. Before that dries down, I'm gonna go ahead and add some highlights. Do you guys see me? I'm literally bathing in highlight. For lips, I'm just gonna add that same clear gloss we added to the eyelids. Okay guys, this is the completed look. Who needs body lava? Do you guys like this look? Let me know what you think down in the comments section. I just wanted to say that this video by no means was shade to Rihanna or Fenty Beauty, because like I mentioned, I love Fenty Beauty and I love Rihanna. I just thought the body lava items were a little bit pricey and that you could achieve that same look or even better with products that you already have at home. Okay guys, that wraps up this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. You know what to do if you did. Give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel. Please hit the notification bell so that you can be notified every time I upload a video. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat, and Twitter. I will link all of those down below in the description box. I want to thank you all so much for watching, and until my next one, bye.